a dusty library, waiting for some words to jump at me. We met by a trick of fate, French Navy, my sailor maid.